Got another record. Let's unbox this. Oh, today we're unboxing the Odyssey. It's the original motion picture soundtrack by Ludwig Göransson. Ludwig has also composed Sinners, Mandalorian. He also won an Oscar composing Oppenheimer soundtrack. Göransson is a Swedish composer based in Los Angeles. He also produced This Is America with Donald Glover. Apparently for the movie, Christopher Nolan told Göransson to not use a regular Hollywood orchestra. Ludwig Göransson ended up using 35 bronze gongs. Lots of different noises in here. This is a great recording too. It sounds amazing on vinyl. Very even. There's no pops. Very good recording. Together there are 23 tracks on here. Tracks like Zeus's Law, Cyclops, Hades. Rosa Framganti, I'm saying that awfully wrong, played the ancient Greek lyre on this album, which is really interesting. It's kind of like the plucking instrument on here. She was able to, I guess, put together like a unique, very true to an original lyre for the film. So that's very true to the sound back then. That's very cool. King David used to play a lyre, so it's kind of cool. I guess for some of the percussion on the recording for this, made noises off of scrap metal in the scrapyard, air conditioning units banging on, poles and things like that. So you can hear there's lots of really odd noises in here to pick up on. So when you're listening to it, listen to just noises I've never heard before, and I thought that was kind of cool to have on here, just that uniqueness of using different natural percussion. So that's cool. Just makes me want to be Odysseus after watching it. You just want to be Odysseus. Overall, really great movie. All you had to tell me was there was a 6-foot puppet in there. Sold. Love puppets. For the vinyl, I missed out on the Interstellar and the Oppenheimer variant, so this is exciting to get the gold variant. This is a really pretty gold too, definitely a shiny little gold too, but I was thinking it would affect the sound, but does not affect the sound at all. Sounds really good, really even. Yeah, there's some really low noises on there, but overall the drums, everything sounds really even on this album. Sounds great. Very earthy and ambient sound overall. The whole tone is. It was cool to see it in the theaters and hear it in the theaters too as well. Definitely meant for the theaters. Very big movie. When I was in there, I definitely noticed the music was definitely holding the film too as well. Very important. So this was exciting to get. Well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this so you can see all the goodies inside. Go ahead and subscribe. Make the music for the video. So hope you like movies and music. So cool. Matt Damon.
Thank you.